Okay. I'm making some quick chicken legs here today. The morale is average. And we're cooking. Alrighty. Bro. Okay. I'll put some oil on. It might be too much. Get my salt. Lemon, rosemary. Paprika. That's paprika. Something I've never used. Yep, we're gonna try it anyway. Okay, voila. For my oil spills. They're still stuck together, but we're gonna put them in the fire regardless. Look at that. I have to clean this. I should. Oh, whoa, whoa. Go easy on the chart. Okay. That's about it. Even when they're stuck together, we season them. Let's go. It's gonna go dry. I'm using the one with the rock like this. You don't want them to have water. You want them to be really dry. Okay. This is almost like frying, but in the oven. You avoid the frying. This goes in here. Okay, at 400. It's preheated and it's going. Alrighty. So, this is what happened. The fire went up and I went away. But now I'm back. We have to separate the beef from the... You know what? We're gonna separate the beef. It was partially frozen. However, that's okay. They look really good, even if fragmentally. I'll turn it back on, but I'm gonna broil because now they're halfway there. That's too low. Now they are ready, and I'm gonna leave them in here because, yeah, we're gonna leave them in here even if they are ready. It's dripping.